What's up, guys? I'm Zain, and today I'm going to give you a total review about Revolut bank account. Revolut was launched in 2015, offering a prepaid card and an app-only overseas payment service. It has expanded rapidly and now has 40 million customers worldwide and offers a comprehensive range of payment services for personal and business customers, as well as savings and investment products. Although Revolut is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority under electronic money regulations, it doesn't have a banking license in the UK. This means customers' money isn't automatically protected by the Financial Service Compensation Scheme. However, Revolut says customers' money doesn't benefit from financial protection up to the maximum limit of 85,000 UK pound per person, as cash can be held and ring-fenced with its partner banks, which can offer this protection. Revolut offers 5 different levels of personal account: an account for under 18s and a business account. It's a standard account, has no monthly or annual fee, while the other 4 personal accounts all charge a monthly fee in exchange for additional benefits or services. More on this below. Interest from 2.22% gross is paid on savings held in Revolut personal account. Joint accounts are also available from the UK. Revolut offers overseas money transfers in more than 80 currencies. Rather than an interbank exchange rate, Revolut operates on its exchange rate. It's important to weigh this up against alternatives before committing to a money transfer. Revolut's money transfers are fee-free on weekdays, Monday to Friday, and to a limit of 1,000 UK pound per month on the standard and plus accounts. Charge apply for transfers made at weekends on all accounts, including premium accounts, and charges apply over and above the 1,000 per month limit on standard and plus accounts. The company recently added a new AI-powered anti-fraud to its app, which alerts customers before they make a transaction deemed suspicious. The standard time for overseas transfer is 1 to 2 working days, depending on the type of the transaction and the policy of the receiving bank. Some transfers can take up to 5 days. Revolut offers advanced budgeting tools to help you keep track of your spending as well as your savings goals. You can set up different pots of money called pockets for different purposes to help you keep on track, and you can also get reminders for upcoming payments and alerts about expiring trials and subscriptions. The main benefits of using Revolut are the fee-free card spending overseas and the ease and low cost of overseas bank transfers. Transfers up to 1,000 per month are free. If you exchange the money between Monday and Friday, transfers between Revolut customers are always free. Revolut customers also like the innovative budgeting and savings tools on offer. There is also cash back on accommodation booking through Revolut Stays, its travel booking service. The money transfer provider has a 4.3 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot. While Revolut could be a great choice for money transfers, it doesn't offer the full banking services of some of its competitors, such as Monzo or Starling Bank. This means it won't suit people who want to pay in cash and checks, for example, or who want access to an overdraft facility or other lines of credit. It is also important to note that Revolut is a digital-only provider, so there are no branches or call centers, and customer service is likely to be limited for those with the free account. Revolut's exchange rates may also sometimes be less competitive than other providers. Although it's fee-free weekday transfers could mean it still works out cheaper than competitors depending on your specific transaction. While Revolut doesn't offer a full banking service, it will suit those who need an account for travel and foreign exchange services at decent rates, but who don't need to use it as a day-to-day bank account. But while fee-free debit card spending has no limit overseas, there is a 1,000 limit on cash withdrawals on Revolut's standard account, which could be a bit limited for some consumers who want extra perks such as travel discounts, cash back on holiday books, and discounted airport lounge access. Might also want to consider Revolut. Although it's important to note that The more premium benefits are only available to customers with one of its fee charging accounts, such as Middle and Ultra. To open an account with Revolut, you need to be at least 18 years old. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.